Few desserts capture the essence of summer quite like a strawberry mousse cake. It's light, it's airy, and it's bursting with the sweet, tangy flavor of fresh strawberries. This delightful dessert is easier to make than you might think. Let's gather the necessary ingredients. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar asterisk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup milk, 1 pound fresh strawberries, hulled and quartered, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, 1 8-ounce packaged cream cheese, softened, 1 12-ounce container frozen whipped topping thawed, 1 cup strawberry compote, see recipe above, fresh strawberries, sliced asterisk, mint leaves. Our journey begins with the cake, the foundation of our delicious creation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour. A 9-inch springform pan. This will ensure a clean release later. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk, and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake cools, let's prepare the strawberry compote, a symphony of sweetness and tartness. In a medium saucepan, combine the strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the strawberries soften and release their juices, about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. Using a potato masher or a fork, lightly mash the strawberries to your desired consistency. Some prefer a chunky compote, while others prefer a smoother texture. Allow the compote to cool completely before using. Now for the star of the show, the strawberry mousse. This ethereal cloud of sweetness will transform our cake into a truly decadent dessert. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese until smooth and creamy. Gradually beat in the sweetened condensed milk until well combined. Gently fold in the thawed whipped topping. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the mousse dense. Once the whipped topping is incorporated, gently fold in 1 cup of the cooled strawberry compote. With the cake cooled and the mousse ready, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Using a serrated knife, carefully slice the cake horizontally into 2 even layers. Place the bottom layer on a serving plate. Evenly spread half of the strawberry mousse over the cake layer, top with the second cake layer. Spread the remaining mousse over the top and sides of the cake, creating a smooth finish. Our cake is nearly complete, but patience is key. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the mousse to set, ensuring a clean cut and beautiful presentation. Once the cake is chilled and set, it's time to add a touch of elegance. Decorate with fresh sliced strawberries, strategically placed to showcase their vibrant red hue. Add a few mint leaves for a pop of color and a refreshing aroma. To serve, carefully run a thin knife around the edges of the cake to ensure a clean release from the springform pan. Slice into generous portions and plate with care. For an extra touch, garnish each slice with a dollop of whipped cream and a fresh strawberry. This recipe can easily be adapted for those with dietary restrictions. Gluten-free. Substitute the all-purpose flour with a gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour blend. Nut-free. This recipe is naturally nut-free. However, always double-check the ingredient list of your chosen products to ensure they are produced in a nut-free facility. Frequently asked questions. Troubleshooting your mousse cake cue. Can I use frozen strawberries for the compote? Yes, but be sure to thaw them completely and drain any excess liquid before using. My mousse is too runny. What did I do wrong? Make sure all your ingredients are cold, especially the whipped topping and cream cheese. Overmixing can also cause the mousse to become runny. Cute, can I make this cake ahead of time? Yes, this cake is best made a day ahead to allow ample chilling time for the mousse to set. And there you have it, a strawberry mousse cake that is as impressive as it is delicious. It's the perfect dessert for a summer gathering, a special occasion, or simply a delightful treat to brighten your day. Enjoy!